log into the Google account that you want your YouTube channel associated with, and you can double check that by hovering over your picture. Click on the boxes with the dot, and then YouTube will be in your list. And once you go to YouTube, you'll be in just your general YouTube. So to get to your channel, you click on your picture again, or your profile picture, and right there it says view your channel. So click view your channel, and your page will pop up. Once your page pops up, it says customize channel. And when you click customize channel, you can change the layout, whether it be the trailer you want people to see when they log on, or for returning subscribers, the branding. So that's where you change your picture, your banner, and even your video watermark, and then your basic info. And there's your name, your handle, and there is a different YouTube channel or a different YouTube website for creating handles, but there's a little hover box that you can create and figure out how to create that. Your description, your custom URL, that also has a different page that you go to create that. And then here are your links, and then your contact info. And then you're all done. You can go back in. You have to press publish, and then you can view your channel.